Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Rocky Rose. Today we are going to do a makeup look. We are going to do a look with the palette that I showed you that I purchased from TJ Maxx earlier, the Alyssa Edwards palette. I consulted with my beauty guru, aka my 7-year-old niece, beauty guru Janaya, decided that I should go with the blue and pink color today. So today we will be doing an eye look with the blue and pink. If you guys want to see how this look is going to turn out, please stick around and enjoy. I started off this morning by washing my face with the Boscia charcoal cleanser that I showed you guys in that previous video. Also, just go back, guys. I'll put the link up here where you can take a look at everything that I found at TJ Maxx. But yeah, I ended up cleaning my face. It feels so clean. It feels really, really, really clean. Put my Carmex and just moisturize the lips. I'm gonna moisturize the lips. Per usual, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, Pro Conceal orange color corrector, and I'm gonna correct underneath my eyes, around my mouth, on my forehead, and on my jaw or cheek area.
I don't have any primer, so I ain't gonna prime my skin, y'all. I think I'll be alright though.
There's always an airplane flying over my house. Sound like it's gonna crash. That sounds like a chopper.
Never mind my hair. The edges just gotta be done, but we'll take care of that afterward.
I watched this guy on YouTube. I think he's really, really good. His name is Roberto Blake. And Roberto just tell you ways to increase your YouTube. And one of the things he said is that I should make 100 crappy videos. And not just me personally, but he said you should make 100 crappy videos. And the thing is, some question quality over quantity or quantity over quality. So my goal is to make my first 100 videos. Now, I try to do quality products. I know my makeup videos could be way better, but it is what it is. I'm just using whatever resources I have now. I don't feel the need to go purchase anything right now because I don't have a big following, but I think that is good enough for right now. But I just, I want to focus on getting the videos out there. So that's my goal. And for 2020, I would love to see my YouTube grow. So, you know, I'm going to put that out there in the ether. I bought this brush set. So since I'm not using a primer, I'm going to go in and use this setting spray, and we'll see how that work out. I'm gonna put the setting spray on my face first. Shake it up. And I don't know why I like to do put it on like that.
That's how you like doing. They look at the comments and say you did it wrong. And you like it.
So, around.
That's not like a guy in the mic.
No, not this conditioner. It's a new one we got. It's brown.
What? So yeah.
You don't see no tunnels?
Nope.
What What you need?
A comb?
Like what size?
Well, he said he can't find that paddle brush, so it don't matter. A little one.
What the hell is No, that's background. Do you do your eyebrows before you do your makeup look or after?
Before.
Oh.
Because they really take longer.
Well, I call myself doing it backward. Oh.
Well, I know some people do that. A lot of people.
Shit. That's pigment, guys. Ooh. 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 Hang an eyebrow. chocolate. Chocolate. Okay, let's go and do these eyebrows. Okay, so I went in on camera and filled my brows in. I don't know what the hell going on with this sheet, but they fat. And I don't know.
You know what Lazy Town is?
They look like some animated character, but they real human.
Let me show you.
And I'm just going back in with back row real quick. And I'm just basically smoking it out. I'm just going to smoke it out with this chocolate brown. It's very, very chocolate. Okay, so we got it smoked out. So let's figure out how we're going to go in with the blue and pink. Look at that, y'all. That's dreaming. Ah! I don't know which way to go. I don't know what to do.
Just put it on that smudge that I read.
Okay. That's dreaming. That's dreaming. Ah. Dreaming. So outside, so what I'm gonna do is go in and blend it out. Then I went in with the blue, and I'm gonna go on the other side and I'm gonna just put some pink on it.
I just want to know how his eyes went from small to big.
What should be?
They look bigger when he got older.
You know, your body changes. So
Look, it ain't no documentation.
we just went in with that Texas made on the
Call my uncle.
and I
Let me go look at my
and
Facebook.
the eyeliner.
What's that?
Goes mascara. Nose there. Brow bone. Here. Here. And here.
Who are you, Ren?
Right there. Both inner tear ducts. We're gonna go and just away. I'm gonna use the same bronzer brush and I'm gonna go up in that thing. Whoa!
Summer is a magic winter. You don't even know how to survive. But when you look at Survivor, he can
Survivor.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Hey, slobber.
Station brush. And just make sure everything is blended together. Push it in. Push it in. And so last but not least, we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick quad that I bought. And I think I'm going to go in with the color Plumera, because that's a really, really pretty color to me.
Why are you in the dark?
Huh?
Why are you in the dark?
Fool me 3 times.
Say,
Leave these signs like the every day rain on you. Don't say that.
come here.
Go to the back. Now. Yeah.